Hey guys, so in this tutorial I want to talk about how we can like write Python's enumerate function in JavaScript. So I'm gonna start with Python because it's probably the most popular language in the world right now. So let's start with Python. So let's say I have a list of countries, and then within this list I have USA, I have UK, and then India, and then Canada, right? So these are the 4 countries I have in the list, and then I want to loop through this list, and then I want to get both index as well as the value of this list. So in Python we would write something like for index value in let's say enumerate, and then we do the name of the countries, and then we say something like print index so I just have this f string here, and then index, and then the value would be value, right? So that's pretty much what we need to do, and then now if we run this code, so for some reason it's not running from here, so I'm just gonna run it from my terminal. So as you can see, this file temp.py, it's in my desktop. So I'm in my desktop here. If I do pwd, you can see that I'm in my desktop, and if I do ls, we could see that this is the file we are working on. So I'm just gonna run this file, and then that's a temp.py, python space temp.py. So once we run it, we have this print statement working, the for loop that goes through each of these index. Where the index is 0, it prints out the value of USA. Index is 1, it prints out the value of UK. So it's working, right? So the what we are doing in this tutorial is that we want to find out something that's similar in JavaScript, something that does this enumerate function in JavaScript. So I'm just gonna copy this list here, and then I'm gonna go to JavaScript. I'm gonna say right, so I'm gonna write the list, and then I'm gonna do that for loop. So one difference between JavaScript and Python is that in JavaScript we have to put parentheses in after the for keyword, and then we could do we have to like sort of initialize the variable. So we would do const and then index value of countries dot entries, and now we can just copy this line, and then we would paste it here. So instead of print, we would do console log, and then index we would do this $sign. Alright, so our code is ready now to sort of print. So let's run this. So once I run this code, so we get the same output here, as you can see. So this is running on I just ran this temp.js file, and this is the output we get. I did run a shortcut here, but if I were to go here and then run this temp.js file, right, so node and then temp.js, we would get the same output. So that's pretty much what I have for this tutorial. I hope I will see you guys in another tutorial. Thanks.